Hello and welcome to this new lesson about creating themes for creating WordPress themes for the standards of theme forest. First of all, we will go to our code editor. We have index.php, and if we notice here that we have the header is repeated in each single page. For example, in about the logo and the header is repeated, which is waste of time and waste for energy. Also the footer. So we'll go to our code editor, and we will copy. We create first of all a file called header.php, and we will go to just here doctype.html, and we will cut till the header end here. Very nice. And after that we will paste the code here, and if we refresh the web page, we will find a broken website, which is not good for us. I will back to our code editor, and I will back to index.php, and I will begin a PHP statement. And I will type the function get header without s. Semi-comma, and I will go back to our code editor, and I will hit refresh to our web browser. It is fixed by now. But now I will go to the footer also. I will copy from footer start here, cut. I will create a new file called footer.php, and I will pass the code, and I will back to our code to our index.php, and I will make a PHP statement, and I will type get underscore footer function without any parameter, semi-comma, and I will hit refresh. Nothing is changed, but this time the footer is maintained for all the pages. Very nice. By now we have finished. We have modified the header and the footer. So I will go to by now to sidebars, blog start here, services, and I will go to sidebars. Single sidebar. I will go to. We have a single sidebar, one sidebar, which is this sidebar. I will copy all this, cut all this, I will cut all this sidebar, and I will go to our code editor panel, and I will create a file called sidebar.php, and I will paste the code. I will be back here, and I will sorry. Okay, I will go by now to index.php, and I will I will refresh again our I will type sorry for the mistake. I will type PHP here. I will replace the sidebar with this PHP function. Get underscore sidebar function. Sidebar function without variables or anything, and I will hit refresh. Nothing is changed almost. We have the header, we have the sidebar and the footer. By now I will go to our Explorer, and I will create a new folder called this time template parts with S, and inside these template parts I will create a file, or I will go to index.php and I will go to services to see the services. Services start here. We have 3 services, which is the services, 3 services, which is service title 1, title 2, etc. And I will copy, cut all this div tag and paste it onto a file I will create it here. This file will be content services dot php. Very nice. And I will go to index.php and I will cut all of that. Cut it, paste it here. By now I will go to index.php another time, and I will go by now to Google to search for specific functions, which is wp get underscore template part. Get template part function. I will see the documentation and I will choose documentation. What it does, loads a template part onto a template, and I will go to an example, which is this. I will copy this and go to our code editor, paste it here, and we will change parsers with template, which is this template before the parts, and we change template parts, and content we will leave it as content because we have content services PHP. We change page with services. Very nice. And when we will refresh, we will see no changes because our code is clean and good. If for example I delete the S and I will hit refresh, there is a mistake for sure. The services is empty by now. I will go now and I will hit refresh, and all is good. Very nice. By now I will go to blocks, div blocks, and I will div class blocks, and I will collapse all of that. and I will cut this, and I will create a new file here, called this time content blocks dot php, content blocks dot php. I will paste the code here, and I will go again to index.php, not that, and I will copy this, paste it here, and I will change template parts content services with blocks, with block for example, and I will refresh, and when I hit refresh we have no plus. If I add the s and I will hit refresh again, we will have our plus, which is very good for us. By now we have finished this quick video, and I will see you in the next lesson. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.